If you have been looking for a way to grow your hair and your children's hair long, soft, and healthy without expensive products, you need to see this, my queens. Today, I am sharing my secret liquid gold spray. It's used by Potato Water Aloe Vera and few special oil to transform dry, breakless hair into healthy, shining hair. My daughter and I have been using this spray, living in spray, and the result is so amazing. I have been seeing incredible, changes for me and my daughter. So I decided to bring it today to share it to my lovely family, because what we have or what we are losing here is all of us, our hair is always green, but the problem here is how can we do to maintain our hair length. So that is what we are looking for. We are looking for a solution that we can do to maintain our hair length. So my queens, let's start with my potato. I have two potato here. You can use one potato and it's going to be enough for you. I'm using two potato because I'm going to use the potato to make a hair mask. So please, my queens, come back and watch that mask also. My queens, I'm sorry for my daughter noise because they are in holidays, but she says she wants to go to school. While they are in holidays, they will start school again on September, so she still have long way to be at home. So now after I wash my potato, I cut it and I put inside my pot and I put it inside the cooker. So now when you just put it, please make sure to put much more attention. What I need here, I just need it to boil like 10 minutes. 10 minutes is going to be enough for me to get the water and use the potato to make my hair mask. So now I'm covering it. Now my queens, I will also going to take you guys for us to talk about the benefit of these ingredients. My queens, potato water is rich in vitamin B and 6, which are essential for hair growth. First, as you guys can see, we started by boiling our potato to make the potato spray. Now, after finish boiling it, my queens, I allow it to sit like 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. Now, I bring it out again to strain it, but you can also strain it while it's still hot. You can also allow it get cool and you strain it. It's up to you. My queens, right now my next ingredient is aloe vera gel, so I'm going to mix it. After that, I'm going to add another ingredient, but let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is promoting healthy scalp and strengthening hair by delivering deep hydration. My people, I'm adding honey also inside. It's also having essential nutrients and smoothing your scalp, and also if you have irritation, is going to help you to do what to calm your scalp, to to reduce it if you have irritation scalp. While you are using aloe vera, is going to help you a lot. Aloe vera is also hydrating. It have so many benefits for hair care when you are going to use it for your hair. I do not joke with you because it's very good for children, especially if your child hair is having very strong like my daughter hair. This type of spray that you need to be using it for your children, and it's going to help you a lot. It will make it their hair very soft and shining and easier for you to manage it. At the same time, it's going to promoting healthy hair for you. And right now I'm adding vitamin E oil. Well, you can get the vitamin E oil or the capsule one. You can use any one that you have and add inside. And also, not only that, also even if you have essential oil, why not you can add, like me, I'm going to add some few drop of peppermint essential oil because I need both benefit for this oil. But if you don't have essential oil to add, then aloe, while you are adding your aloe vera, your honey, and you get vitamin E oil or the capsule one, is okay. You can still get the same benefit. Okay, so this one I'm just adding the peppermint essential oil because I need extra benefit. My queen, after mix everything, I'm pouring inside my bottle. Actually, I'm planning to use it for my daughter, but my daughter came back from school with a big surprise for me. So guys, you stay tuned with me and see how my daughter, how her hair is looking after she came back from school, as usual. Now let's quickly check and see the honey benefit. Honey is also powerful natural, it's having powerful natural moisture. While you are using it, adding moisture to your hair, it's a natural humectants. It's very good. It's also deep hydrating, dry and strengthening by delivering moisturizer. You know, when your hair is dry, you are using it, it's going to deliver very smooth and nice boost your hair. It's going to boost your hair while you are using honey. Honey is one of the most powerful ingredients. Also, I don't joke when I'm doing my treatment because it's making the hair very soft and delivering healthy scalp. And as you know, all the time, healthy scalp always starts in healthy hair always starts by healthy scalp. If you have a healthy scalp, definitely you are going to get a healthy hair. So now these are the ingredients that I use: potato water and aloe vera plus my vitamin E. If you have any essential oil, you can add. My people, now you can see, look at how my daughter came back from school, even inside her dress. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this child, to be honest with you guys, because I'm always trying all my best to make sure that her scalp is always neat. I was planning to hydrate her hair while she came back from school so that you guys will see if you are going to apply, but the way her scalp is looking, Charlie, I cannot apply this leave-in in spray inside of dirty scalp. First of all, I have to take care and go and wash it. After I wash everything, then when the scalp is clean, tomorrow when she come back with a clean scalp, or she will come back with a some big surprise for me again. I don't know, unless we'll check and see by tomorrow. So my people, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe, like this video and share it for me, please. Your liking, it means a lot for me. That will make YouTube algorithm for them to push this video to wise people. Okay, I love you guys all, I love all of you. So how to apply it: always make sure that your scalp is clean. Do not use this spray while your scalp or your children hair is just like princess hair. Make sure the scalp is very clean all the time before you use the spray. After using the spray, you use your leave-in conditioner or your liquid or your hair butter to seal the moisture inside, because the most important is how you can do to seal the moisture so that the moisture will remain inside her hair. And do not forget, at in the evening, always protect their hair when they are going to bed. Now guys, I finished washing my daughter hair now, so you guys can see her hair is clean now, but I'm not going to use it again because I'm already used. When I wash it, I use some small to do it, to make it as a racing tea. You know, I pour small and raise her hair, so I don't need to spray into her hair again. So while the hair is still wet like this, I can just apply my oils and my butters, and I will allow her go and sleep. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.